majority? What is happening in this country?
Honorable Minority Leader,
What have we done wrong?
I will not have a problem.
I have not attacked any judge. We've not attacked the court.
This is by way of a question that will give an opportunity for a response. You are making a preliminary comment.
Exactly, that's exactly what.
So
that's
let's
exactly what
stick
is
to
being
the
done.
rules,
I don't
and
have
then
a
you
problem.
make your preliminary comment as such.
Very well, Chairman. Thank you. So we expect that steps be taken by the court to expeditiously hear the cases brought before it by the respected, learned Justice of the Supreme Court, who until removed was the Chief Justice, Her Ladyship Gertrude Araba Isaba Tokono. Expeditious hearing of this matter and a final determination of this matter will reassure the Ghanaian public that the rule of law works, that we respect the Constitution. Chairman, we submit further that all the delays in the filing of defense in the matter is to proceed unchallenged.
Chairman.
Why?
To be off. Yes, Honorable Ayariga, let me hear you.
Why? No,
Chairman.
now you can come.
Chairman. I know we are politicians. And we should be allowed to do politics. Yes, we are politicians. And we should be allowed to do politics. In a speech are offensive, abusive, insulting, blasphemous, or unbecoming. Impute improper motives. Impute improper motives. I repeat again, impute improper. The Speaker may order that the member withdraws those words or withdraw and apologize. The Attorney General is a constitutional office created in our Constitution. And he is a member of this House. Motives. Our rules are clear. What you are saying, you are imputing improper motives. Saying that all of it is a charade and then a strategy and etc. to subvert justice. No. Mr. Speaker, how can he say that? I object and I insist that that part of his statement should be expunged. And the rules are very clear that any reference to the conduct of persons dealing with any other subject is out of order, and then you, the Speaker, or the 123 Rule 3 says that if you make a determination that indeed he has impugned improper motives, you should order him to have it expunged from the records. And I'm saying that he has impugned, imputed improper motives, and therefore he should expunge that from the records.
Yes, Honorable Minority Leader.
Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair.
Honorable Minority Leader.
I'm a member.
Please put off
Chair.
your microphone. Please put off your microphone. Yes, Honorable Minority Leader, you have the floor.
Seal that to me. But he sealed that to me.
Mr. Chairman, some of my... Yes, sure. I'm saying that my colleague has a point to make. Since a point of order has been raised, I think that it was within...
With all due respect, we are a house governed by rules.
Sure, but...
I can be guided by the rules that enable the Speaker or the person presiding to take a point of order against a point of order or a response to a point of order from any other person apart from the person who raised the issue. So the rules are applied. That is why I asked the honorable member to put his microphone off, and then I'm giving you the floor to respond to the issue of the point of order raised. On the response to the point of order being raised. Yes, Honorable Animedu, let me hear you.
Yeah, Mr. Chairman, I have been quiet since morning, and I think that we must be serious as a committee. Mr. Speaker, I should think that some members of this committee have a preconceived mind, either to object to every word, every letter that is said, and we cannot continue like that. You being the chairman, Mr. Chairman, I pray after the break, Mr. Chair, you have to steer the affairs of this committee. Now, the majority leader, let me, please, I have the floor. The majority leader is not about but
Mẹ ơi, Lisa thành phở cung đình.
Vẫn là phở cung đình, nhưng mẹ Hà có bí quyết mới.
Bí quyết?
Ướp 1/3 gói sốt cùng thịt bò cho thấm vị. Xào trên chảo nóng thật dậy hương. Phần sốt còn lại tạo nên nước dùng ngọt thanh, chuẩn vị Hà Nội. Nhờ 5 gia vị đặc trưng và xương thịt cô đặc trong gói sốt phở cung đình cùng bánh phở dai mềm. Cho bát phở cung đình vừa thân quen.
with preliminary issues before we start the agenda of the meeting. Now, if you raise a question about what I heard other people say that, well, there had been issues, nobody has the right to raise a preliminary issue when the chairman already ruled that he should speak. This is part of us. And if every word is going to be objected to, then I don't think that we are ready for the vetting. Now, we have been here all day. The nominee had not even spoken a word. This objection, that objection, and
Honorable
and yet we are getting nowhere.
Animedu Entry. You, Honorable Minority Leader.
Is that in response? Wow. Chairman, thank you. Oh, very well. Chairman, nowhere in my submission did I impugn improper motives. Or was there an inference to such an act? Chairman, you must let the majority leader know that he is a majority leader. When you raise your objections and everybody is quiet, and you are so intolerant that you want to find a way to create chaos, I won't give you that. He is showing power, force. I am this.
What the rank is doing is not right. You were given 5 minutes. We spent 15 minutes.
You have the floor. Honorable Dafamako. You don't have the floor. Please. Minority Leader.
So, Mr. Chair, we've been very calm, quiet, decent. We want to discharge our parliamentary duty. Yet the attacks are becoming one too many. Now, let me respond to him. I stated the fact that cases were filed as far back as May. It was only recently that the AG filed a motion for extension of time to file a defense and sought the leave of the court for that. It is a matter in the public domain that long constitutional matter had lapsed. The AG had not filed. The court itself had not issued a hearing notice to compel the AG to come to court to file out of time. It is a statement of fact that we, as the minority, are raising as part of our concerns regarding the constitutional overreach. We are not saying anything less apart from what is in the public domain. So, Mr. Chairman, the majority leader must be restrained. All the confusion is being caused by him. All the confusion, I have my speech before me. I can read it again. You see?
Honorable
Chairman.
Leader,
Chairman.
with all due respect, can you conclude? If I will have to rule on the objection raised, this is what I will say. We have a constitutional mandate to vet the Chief Justice nominee. The issue before the courts, I think, that is ordered to be expunged from the record.
You are not doing justice. And I say so because everything that is happening here appears to have been well rehearsed by the majority leader with a view.
You see, Honorable Leader,
Chairman,
you have been a majority leader
Chairman,
before.
Chairman.
Becoming a minority leader, there is nothing that is well reserved.
Chairman, this approach where they'll come, force you, speak, put on a mic, then you say it is expunged. What exactly, what particular word are we expunging?
I think you heard my ruling very
Chairman,
loud and clear. If you disagree with it, you know what to do.
Very
Will you
well.
proceed?
Don't worry. Don't worry. We are all aware of what this whole thing is leading to. So no problem. Chairman, we, the minority, hold a view that Article 1271 gives the Chief Justice authority to ensure effective administration of justice. Article 1272 requires all state organs to assist the courts. Yet, in the instant situation, there are no visible steps to compel speedy trial. We have not yet heard of any hearing for all cases challenging the legitimacy of the process leading to the removal of Her Ladyship Justice Araba Isaba Tokono. We believe that the acting Chief Justice wields the administrative power on this matter. And just as the injunction applications were held expeditiously, same could have applied in this instance. It's regrettable that our motion that was intended to have dealt upon this matter did not see the light of day. We hold a view that the judiciary is not the executive's enforcement arm. It is neither Parliament's ally in political projects. It is a guardian of our Constitution, the protector of our rights, the final arbiter of all our laws. Its independence is sacrosanct. Its integrity is non negotiable. It is the oracle of justice emanating from the people of Ghana. Chairman, for all of our opinion on an important national discourse, be it known to you, Chairman, and the committee, and the country, that we, the minority caucus, hereby plead with, we do not intend to proceed with any question. We are, however, registering in the strong and the records should reflect that the report of this committee be a honorable colleague, when we show you respect, reciprocate. So far, we have extended to you every courtesy. We've heard all those unpalatable words. We've heard the abuse. So please, for posterity's sake,
Glucagon rau sức khỏe vàng. Tặng ngay 2 chai nước yến xào cao cấp Lunas.
Từ khi mắc tiểu đường, cuộc sống của tôi đảo lộn, đầu óc chao đảo, chân tay tê bì.
Huyết áp thì tăng cao, các con cứ lo tôi bị biến chứng.
Viện dinh dưỡng y học Nutricare Hoa Kỳ phát triển thành công Glucagon mới. Công thức hệ bột đường hấp thu chậm, giúp cân bằng đường huyết. Chỉ số GI thấp được chứng minh lâm sàng. Omega 3 giảm biến chứng tim mạch cùng 56 dưỡng chất.
Uống Glucagon, đường huyết của tôi cân bằng.
Huyết áp ổn định, cả nhà an tâm hẳn.
Glucagon, đường huyết cân bằng tăng cường sức khỏe.
How to best for going Thai temple. Hello, I'm Temple Boy, your fashion guru for a temple visit. No worries, no runway required, just respect. Rule number 1, cover up, tank top, are no go. Save those beach vibe for the beach, think sleep people. Long pants or nip. Sorry for your favorite short are taking day off at the hotel.
I often seen tourists come in short and then have to borrow a sarong or pants that the temple provides.
Shoe off, let off, pick comfy slip on. Because you will do
How do you reject a nominee who is yet to be vetted?
should I respond?
The report is not ready to be voted for.
Chairman,
We are not at a stage of approval. So you have your day. The two microphones should be off.
Chairman,
the two microphones should be off, with all due respect.
We have registered our position.
Honorable Minority Leader agreed on your position. We thank you very much, and we wish you a very good luck. Honorable members, yes, sir. Yeah, okay. Briefly about yourself.
Thank you very much, Honorable Chair. Please, before I answer the question.
So, after you have indicated to us who you are,
my name is Paul Baffoe-Bonnie. I'm a justice of the Supreme Court. I've been a justice of the Supreme Court since 11th of June 2008. So 17 years plus I've been a Supreme Court judge. Before the 11th of June, for 2 years I was a Justice of the Court of Appeal. Before then, I was 6 years as a High Court judge and 7 years as a Circuit Court judge. I was born on the 26th of December, 1956. I went to Korongo Dumasi Secondary School in 1969, finished O-level in 1974, BA Law from 1976 to 1979, entered the law school in 1979 and left in 1981.
Từ những bàn thắng để đời tại Anfield, Barcelona, cho đến hành trình vinh quang cùng tuyển Uruguay, Luis Suarez luôn là biểu tượng của niềm đam mê, sự bùng nổ và khát khao bất tận. Giờ đây, anh mang tinh thần chiến binh ấy đến với OK VIP khi chính thức trở thành đại sứ thương hiệu, mở ra một chương mới đầy cảm hứng.
Una buena elección de confianza. OK VIP es tan confiable como mis decisiones. OK VIP es tan preciso y fiable como mi penal.
I taught for 2 years in Nigeria before coming down to Ghana, when I was called to the bar and I started practicing law. As a practitioner for about 5 years, I joined. Until 1988, when I joined the Ghana Prison Service. I joined the Ghana Prison Service in 1988. I went 6 months military training, and I was posted. At the time I met my wife, he was also a Bob No rank person. She didn't have any rank, actually. A sixth former who was then started her career in the prison service. I was with the prison service for 2 years, till 1990, when we were told that I, as a deputy superintendent, couldn't marry a junior officer because I opted out of prison service so that she could stay. So I joined the